Here's how to save your design as an image in Illustrator. So first you go up to File, Export, Export As, and I want to show you two ways, okay, to save your file as an image. One is with a transparent background and another is with a white background. Now to get the transparent background, you need to choose the format of PNG, which allow you to save your background as transparent so you don't have that white background behind your graphics. So to do that, just make sure you select PNG and use artboards. In this instance, I'm going to create all. I'm also going to create a new folder called PNG, okay? And then once you've done that, we'll click export. And then it will bring you to your PNG options. I'll keep the resolution as high, or if you want a bit higher, you can click to other and change it, okay? But for this instance, I'm going to keep it as high, and I'm just going to leave all of it as is. And as you can see, you can actually save a PNG with the white or black background if you wanted to, but because I just want it transparent, I'll leave it as that and click OK. This is my PNG folder, and very quickly you will get all your design or your stickers with a transparent background. Okay, this is usually very useful if you are creating stickers to be used in your digital planner, or you want to create digital stickers. You can use this transparent background, which is very useful using this method. And secondly, to save your design with the white background, you can either save it as a JPEG, which naturally gives you a white background anyway, or you can still keep your image as in PNG but change the option to a white background instead of transparent. Okay, you can do either or, but right now I'll show you how to do it in JPEG. So go up to File, click Export, Export As, and this time I'm going to create a new folder called JPEG, create it, and I'm going to choose my format as JPEG. I'm going to use my artboards, all, and export. Okay, now JPEG usually gives you two options. If you are exporting this JPEG to send to the printer to be printed out as a physical product, then you should keep your JPEG as a CMYK. But if this image is going on the web, then I'll suggest to keep it as RGB, and you can change the quality size to small or large, but I like to keep my file size to maximum. Okay, so it's high, maximum, and I'll leave the resolution as 300. I'll keep the compression standard, and I'll just leave the rest as is, and I'll click OK. Alright, and it's all done. And when I click on my JPEG folder, all my images have been exported with the white background. Okay. Alright, and that's simply how you do it.